Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech tasks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into a common query: how to pay your Apple Card bill using a debit card. If you're an Apple Card holder, you know how convenient it is for everyday purchases, but managing payments can sometimes feel tricky. Don't worry, I'll guide you through this step by step in just a few minutes. First things first, why would you want to pay with a debit card? It's simple. It helps you avoid credit card debt by using funds directly from your bank account, and it's often faster than other methods. Plus, with Apple's seamless integration, it's secure and straightforward. To get started, make sure you have the latest version of the Wallet app on your iPhone or iPad. Open the app and locate your Apple Card. It's usually right at the top. Once you're there, tap on the Payment or Bill section. This will show you your current balance and due date. Next, select the option to Make a Payment. You'll be prompted to choose a payment method. If your debit card isn't already added, hit Add New Payment Method. Enter your debit card details carefully. Include the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Apple uses strong security measures, so rest assured your info is protected. After adding the card, select it as your payment source and enter the amount you want to pay. Double-check everything to avoid any mistakes, then tap Confirm. You'll get a verification code sent to your device or email. Just enter it to finalize the transaction. Boom, your payment is on its way. One quick tip: keep an eye out for any potential fees from your bank for using a debit card this way, though Apple doesn't charge extra. If you run into issues, like a declined payment, check your account balance or contact Apple support. There you have it. Paying your Apple Card with a debit card is easier than you think. Give it a try and let us know in the comments if this helped. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.